This area of Salt Spring reminds Wendy of Maui. I know.
Well, it's because of the birds.
There's lots of doves out here. And yeah, there's palm trees too. And there's the Pacific Ocean. There's no shortage of palm trees.
Oh wow, listen to the bees.
That's a golden chain tree. They're just, they grow like weeds here. And then, you know, which is even cooler. You know what's even cooler? This is Vesuvius on the west side of Salt Spring Island. And you got Mount Maxwell in the distance there, which is a diamond head. You got doves. Every morning when we wake up on Maui, there's doves. And then there's periwinkle, which is a weed.
Get doves at our place.
You'd have them in a pen. Aren't these beautiful?
You know what? And the yellow against. And even the arbutus, like look at all the flowers.
Beautiful. Gotta love Vesuvius.
Yeah. Gary oak. Popping out of there. Oh, look at it.
That's a Gary oak, yeah, native Gary oak. Oh, listen. That's,
Completely, it's like your first day when you land in Maui and you wake up the next morning.
I love the sound of those. There's a red chestnut coming into bloom.
Home away from home.
Anyway, this is Vesuvius on the west side, Vesuvius Bay, west side of Salt Spring. Look at those rhodos. And the ferry is on the other side. That's Vancouver Island, the big island. And then there's Mount Maxwell in the distance right there.
Wow, there's a tree.
Oh, listen. I love that sound.
Hey,
Yeah.
the tree is in the water down there.
Oh yeah?
Look at this.
Yeah, came off the side.
Probably in that wind.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Oh.
Cheers.